Karin, what is the number one skill every manager needs in 2026?
That's easy. People skills. And not because technical skills don't matter anymore, but because I see so many technical leaders struggling with the leadership role.
Well, that's interesting because a lot of technical leaders still believe that if they know the process, if they know the machines, the numbers, then they'll automatically be great leaders.
Yeah, and that's simply not true anymore. Actually, I don't know if it was ever true. You can be incredibly strong technically and still struggle to lead people effectively because leadership requires so many different things, such as communication, emotional intelligence, feedback skills, emotional control, self awareness. But here's the good news: it's a skill like any other skill that can be learned. All it takes is the willingness. And if you have the willingness, you are halfway there.
You're making a good point here, Kari, because I think some leaders believe that they're just not good with people. They're not, they say, I'm not a people person.
Yeah, and that's exactly the mindset that holds so many people back. Nobody is nobody is born understanding people, knowing how to communicate, but it's a skill, and if you learn that skill, life just becomes so much easier. Like I said earlier, all it takes is the willingness.
So the future of leadership is really people first leadership.
Absolutely. And I just finished writing a book on that topic. The leaders that will drive in 2026 are not just technically capable, they really understand how to lead people because mindset drives behavior, and behavior drives culture, and culture drives performance and outcomes. And that's the important thing to understand. Leadership isn't about controlling people, it is about cultivating behaviors and helping to bring out the best in them.
That's a real mindset shift. This was our thought for today, and we will definitely see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.